In the Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Guwahati, we focus on the design, development and evaluation of mechanical systems by utilizing the principle of engineering physics, mathematics and material science. In our department, we have brought three categories: machine design, thermal and fluid engineering, and manufacturing science. These research groups integrates their domain knowledge to solve the real life problem in industries and societies in harmony with the nature. We are looking for more collaboration to achieve this task.
So manufacturing is a subdomain of mechanical engineering which focuses on the earlier and recent developments in various manufacturing process that's useful for day-to-day life. While the research in manufacturing sciences is extraordinarily diverse and multidisciplinary, creating quality products from raw material in efficient, economical and sustainable fashion is one of the prime objectives. Here at IIT Guwahati, research in manufacturing is geared towards achieving high performance and precision products by developing efficient machine tools and novel manufacturing processes. Research labs such as Advanced and Rapid Manufacturing, Material Forming and Joining, and Robotics labs work towards fulfilling the ever-growing need for economical and sustainable manufacturing of complex parts with utmost precision. Manufacturing processes such as 3D printing or additive manufacturing have immense potential, acting as a strong catalyst for Industrial Revolution 4.0. Furthermore, keeping up with recent trends towards miniaturization of products for applications in nanotechnology, our precision engineering and micro machining labs are working to meet the industrial demands for systems on a chip. Given the current scenario, especially in India, it becomes imperative that we make the traditional manufacturing process efficient while constantly evolving and synthesizing new ones to keep up with the industry's demand.
Hello, I am Vinayak Kulkarni from Mechanical Engineering, IIT Guwahati. This is our lab, which is Subsonic Wind Tunnel Lab. This lab has collaboration of few faculties from Mechanical Engineering Department, which includes Professor UK Saha, Professor Niranjan Sahu and myself, Vinayak Kulkarni. In this wind tunnel, we basically involve our students in various activities which includes wind turbine testing. Here we do testing of wind turbines for horizontal axis as well as vertical axis, and these wind turbines basically we study for their power outputs as well as for the dynamics of fluid flow around the wind turbine. So this is one aspect of testing of the wind turbine. Further, wind tunnels we also use for basic aerodynamic studies, which are including the MAV applications and other classical conventional aerodynamic studies also.
Currently, whatever the technology we have for the LPG cook stove or based on the free flame combustion, where you can see the flame on top of the burner. So here the mode of heat transfer from the flame to the vessel is convection. So coming to the this our technology, the predominant mode of heat transfer from the surface to the vessel is radiation. Radiation travels at a speed of light. So because of this the very rapid heat transfer, we could get higher thermal efficiency by minimizing the heat loss.
Machine design is the step prior to the manufacturing mechanical engineering. To a large extent, the success and failure of a product or a machine component is primarily dictated in its design phase. The design of machine or a machine element influences its performance and manufacturing cost and consequently its commercial success. There are three basic aspects to a machine design. given the operating conditions, establish the mechanical behavior of a material, mechanism, or a structure. This includes static, dynamics, vibrations, fatigue, etc. Second, given the constraints, obtain the most suitable material and geometric dimensions of various machine elements such as gears, fasteners, springs, couplings, and so forth. The third is perform product assessment such as life cycle analysis, ergonomics, sustainability, etc. IIT Guwahati, through its several state-of-art research facilities in various labs such as advanced dynamic and vibrations, biomimetic robotics, and artificial intelligence lab, tries to better understand the material behavior through fundamental research. Also, our biomedical devices and biomaterials lab, along with fracture mechanics and composite labs, are constantly working to address the rising demand of new and improved engineering materials.
So, from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, our faculty members have been engaged in different kind of interdisciplinary research activities, and one among them is the biomedical devices. In the biomedical devices, we have been working on acetabular cuff, hip joint simulator, and prosthetic knee joint, and other kind of devices, prosthetic and orthotic devices. Northeast Center for Biological Science and Healthcare Engineering, which was established in 2018, and it is sponsored by the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India. We people from the Department of Mechanical Engineering have been engaged in the gait lab activities, where different kinds of musculoskeletal disorder can be diagnosed and the efficacy of different assistive devices can be tested. As part of NECBH, we have a product design and testing lab. In this lab, 3 different types of 3D printers are available, namely stereolithography, selective laser sintering, and fused deposition modeling. In addition, we have a different testing facilities, namely dynamic mechanical analyzer and universal testing machines and others.